Hello, I'm Dr. Leena Mehrotra from Moradabad. I'm here for the batch 136, course 2 with Dr. Pankaj Talwar sir. So today we studied about semen preparation and we'll be demonstrating it soon. Here you can see the semen preparation by microfluidics method, which there is a device available with the polycarbonate membrane of diameter 8 micrometers through which we prepare the semen. And here we have already loaded a pre-washed semen sample and we have checked the counts of the semen with motility. Here you can see, and we can focus it further. The motility is decent with a lot of clumping and agglutination. We can see the round cells with WBCs around. So we will prepare the semen for IUI purpose by microfluidics, and the different methods available include zymote or sperm sorter. So I will just request Dr. Indumati to lead the team for the preparation of the semen for this.
I wanted to show everyone, move the slide left to right and show what all, look at this beautiful WBCs and this, focus on this is our agglutination occurring when sperms are moving and they are together. That's called agglutination. In aggregation when dead sperms come, like they're all dead and they are alive. But here, all of them they are twitching themselves. This is called agglutination. And large number of sperms have caught. Here is caught a maybe it's a sperm which is morphologically very poor. See, this is actually a very bad sample. We look at count is good, but sample is not a good one. Epithelial cast, look at this here. So now, guys, what we'll do is you people will do it on your own and try to come to a conclusion about this particular sample, and this is on the lower magnification, and here I have to reduce the light. Yes. So we are okay till here?
Yes, sir.
And now we want to see and bring it down. See again the clumping and epithelial cast are here. A lot of aggregation, agglutination, WBCs. This is an ideal sample to prepare by
Microfluidics.
I'm done. Please, Betty.